So there are many benefits from cloud computing. Cloud computing is one of the platform technologies of Industry 4.0, is one of the digital technologies that are emerging and are being used more intensively across manufacturing. But just to give some of the more immediate impacts, perhaps, is that the cloud computing allows manufacturers to use many forms of new production systems, including high-performance computing, the Internet of Things, and industrial robotics. But very importantly, cloud computing democratizes the access of these technologies to small manufacturers because they don't need to have the computer power in-house, but actually can use it as a service from other suppliers. So at the enterprise level, cloud computing broadly supports manufacturing applications such as enterprise resource planning, ERP, data analysis, and workforce training. So an important use of cloud computing in manufacturing, for example, is workforce training. Companies are increasing delivering realistic, just-in-time training using cloud-enabled interfaces. So for instance, these resources that are hosted in the cloud can serve as the backend for training programs that use virtual reality to simulate real-world scenarios and conditions. So very typical example, obviously using VR systems, is to give an operator a set of VR headsets and have that information that is stored in the cloud and give them precise instructions about what they need to do as components come in a production line, for example, or how to assemble a complex system. So a lot of that information is in the cloud and then is brought back to the worker using the cloud. So cloud-based learning management systems can automate manufacturers' training processes in a number of technical and non-technical areas.